Is Asurion really the ultimate solution for device protection, or is it just another insurance provider wrapped in flashy promises? With bold claims of same-day repairs, 24/7 tech support, and coverage that spans everything from smartphones to home appliances, Asurion.com positions itself as the go-to safety net for your tech investments. But when we peel back the marketing layers, the reality isn't as clear-cut. On the surface, the company appears rock-solid with over 20 years of experience, a customer base of more than 300 million users worldwide, and a wide support system that includes online help, in-store repairs, phone assistance, and even home visits. They've earned top ratings across platforms like Amazon, Google, and Consumer Affairs, and their apps have been downloaded over 100,000 times on Google Play and hold a respectable 4.2-star rating on the App Store from hundreds of users. Their social media channels are also active, regularly posting updates and customer support responses, which shows they're at least trying to maintain public trust. But beyond the surface, many users share a different story: complaints about slow claim approvals. Unexpected denials, long wait times, and inconsistent repair quality continue to surface across review platforms and forums. Some customers feel the deductible costs make smaller claims almost pointless, while others say getting a replacement device can turn into a weeks-long ordeal. So while Asurion has the infrastructure, reputation, and reach to be a trustworthy service, actual user experiences paint a mixed picture. In this video, we're laying out all the facts, both the reassuring and the questionable, so you can decide whether Asurion is a reliable tech safety net or just another insurance giant that may not always deliver when you need it most.